Hi everyone, this is the agenda and objectives for the week of April 20th. First, let's start with our summative assessment this week. Remember last week we had only one section because most of us had our algebra test midweek. So I tried to keep the amount of work that we had really light last week. So we have one summative assessment right here. And then we'll go into videos and notes. These are going to be dealing with the properties of parallelograms and rectangles and being able to prove that what we have is a parallelogram using some coordinate geometry. So it'll be kind of a recap or kick back to some algebra skills as far as first semester skills. After you go through and watch the videos, there are 3 assignments, all 3 found in your notebook. Once again, assigned on a Tuesday, due on a Tuesday at 9 a.m. And then keep in mind that if you have questions along the way, you can either Canvas message me or that we too have 2 Zoom sessions set up. For students that were wanting to have a recommendation for honors geometry, I have graded the test and I will be talking with the other honors geometry teachers as well as our math department chair this week, and we'll hopefully have an email out to you and your parents by the end of the week. All right, if you have any questions, please Canvas message me.